Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the Telnyx Level 2 verification. So the Telnyx uses a tiered verification system to safeguard services from unauthorized users. So this means that users must achieve certain criteria in order to gain access to all available features. So here is the level 1 and here is the level 2. Now you can have the voice SMS, and here is the international and call forwarding for the level 2 verification. Now the majority of users will have reached level 1 verification upon confirming their email address during registration. Now to check your status of your account level verification, you must log in to your Telnyx Mission Control portal. So you can just click on this one and then navigate to the account settings, then tap on my account, then go to account level, which is in here, and tap on this one and then this one. Now, just a note that before submitting a request for level 2 verification, it is important that you'll fill in all the necessary details in these section. So here, your address, emergency address, documents, and the business identities. So you just have to fill these information in here. Now, once you submit your level 2 request verification, a member of the Telnyx team will carefully review your account. So this may involve them contacting you via email or discuss more details such as your intended use and any necessary clarifications or verifications for your account. So here are the important notes. So your level 2 submission may take up 48 hours to be reviewed and either approved or denied. So an email will be sent to you once your level 2 request has been processed. And if your request for level 2 verification was not approved, you can contact them by this one, support@telnyx.com. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can do the Telnyx level 2 verification. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!